Hello everyone, this is Asfa Munir and today I am excited to share my thoughts on a truly powerful and eye-opening talk. As someone who deeply values meaningful education and personal growth, I always enjoy exploring ideas that challenge the way we think about learning, and today's talk does exactly that. And the name of today's talk is The Learning Revolution by Ken Robinson. Before presenting this review, let me give you a little introduction of Sir Ken Robinson so that you can get to know him better. Viewer Sir Ken Robinson was an internationally recognized speaker, author, and education expert known for his groundbreaking views on creativity, innovation, and learning. His talk, especially those on transforming education, are among the most vast and admired globally. Robinson's insights invite us to rethink how schools should truly nurture human potential instead of limiting it. In the learning revolution, Ken Robinson argues that we need a complete transformation, not minor adjustment in the education system. He explains that a traditional schooling model was created for a different age, one focused on industrialization, standardization, and one size fits all learning. Robinson beautifully highlights that every child is born with extraordinary natural talents, but our system often fail to recognize or nurture them. Instead, they priorities conformity, rigged structure, and subjects considered academically superior. He emphasized how creativity, curiosity, and individuality are essential for real learning, yet these qualities are often suppressed in classrooms. According to Robinson, true education should unlock the creativity and unique strengths of each learner, making them active participants rather than passive receivers. He also calls for a shift toward personalized learning where students can explore their interests and passions. Robinson's message is both inspiring and urgent if we genuinely want young people to thrive in the modern world. Our approach to education must evolve. Viewers, Ken Robinson concludes that the future demands a new kind of education, one that values imagination, diversity, creativity, and adaptability. He urges educators, parents, and policymakers to embrace a transformation that helps every child discover their true capabilities. The learning revolution is not optional, it's necessary. Viewers, before I end this review, here are few gentle reminders for all of us. Value creativity, it's just as important as literacy. Encourage personal strengths. Every student learns differently. Be open to change. Education must evolve with time. Sport curiosity, it is the real engine of learning. Believe in your potential. You have unique gifts waiting to be explored. Thank you for uh, reading. Stay curious, stay inspired, and keep learning. Allah Hafiz.